Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Have you ever caught your reflection and thought, I stay active, so why does my backside look flatter than it used to? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. For many adults over 50, changes in the shape of the buttocks happen quietly over time. The upper area loses lift, the sides look less full, and what was once rounded can start to appear flat or even slightly sunken in jeans. People often label this as just aging, and assume the solution is simple: more squats, more bridges, more effort. But here's what rarely gets explained clearly. You can work hard on glute exercises and still see very little change if your pelvis isn't positioned correctly. And this one detail makes all the difference. Your glutes, especially the gluteus medius, the muscle on the side of your hips that creates shape and stability, depend on proper pelvic alignment to function well. When the pelvis tilts forward, shifts to one side, or rotates slightly, those muscles struggle to activate. This happens easily as we age, especially with long hours of sitting and less natural movement throughout the day. So even though you're exercising, the signal from your brain to your glutes isn't clear. Other muscles step in to help: your lower back, thighs, or hip flexors, and your glutes stay underused. Over time, they lose tone, fullness, and connection. That's why simply doing more glute exercises doesn't always work. Here on Health Fact 10M, we focus on helping you understand why your body responds the way it does, so your effort actually pays off. In this video, you'll learn 2 simple, science-supported movements designed especially for adults over 50. The first helps bring your pelvis back into a more centered, functional position. The second builds strength and shape in the glute muscles that matter most, starting from a better foundation. And if you're over 50 and watching right now, I'd love to know who's here. Drop a comment with your first name, your age, and where you're watching from. This channel isn't just about exercises, it's about building a community focused on better movement, balance, and long-term strength. Why glute exercises stop working when the pelvis is off? Most people believe flat glutes are caused by inactivity or a lack of effort. But here's the truth: even active people can struggle to activate their glutes if their pelvis isn't aligned well. Think of the pelvis as the base of your lower body. It influences how your hips, spine, and legs move together. When it's positioned properly, your glutes can engage, stabilize, and strengthen. But when it's tilted or uneven, a very common pattern after age 50, the communication between your nervous system and your muscles becomes less efficient. The tricky part is that this misalignment often doesn't feel dramatic. You may not notice pain or obvious imbalance. Instead, the body quietly adapts. Other muscles take over, and the glutes slowly check out. Research has shown that changes in pelvic alignment can significantly reduce glute muscle activation, even during traditional glute exercises. In other words, you may be doing the right movements, but in the wrong position. That's why before we focus on strength, we need to focus on reconnection. Exercise 1. Wall hinge with lateral shift. This first movement isn't about building muscle or feeling a burn. It's about retraining your body and restoring control. The wall hinge with lateral shift helps bring your pelvis back toward a neutral position while gently waking up the glute muscles, especially the gluteus medius on each side. This movement helps recenter the pelvis, improve left to right hip balance, restore coordination between your core and glutes, undo some of the effects of prolonged sitting. How to do it: stand about 6 to 8 inches in front of a wall, facing away from it. Place your feet about shoulder width apart, with your knees soft and relaxed. Rest your hands lightly on your hips. Slowly hinge at the hips and push your hips back until your glutes gently touch the wall. Keep your spine long and your chest relaxed. From this position, shift your hips slightly to the left, then return to center. Shift slightly to the right, then return to center. Finally, stand back up with control. That's 1 repetition. Aim for 8 to 10 slow reps, and complete 2 sets. Move smoothly and stay controlled. This isn't about speed, it's about awareness. For many adults over 50, this simple drill helps restore movement patterns that have been missing for years. Exercise 2. Wall-facing squat with calf raise. Once your pelvis is better aligned and your glutes are responding again, it's time to build strength and shape. The wall-facing squat with calf raise is a posture-friendly movement that challenges the glutes, calves, and core while reinforcing balance and control. This exercise targets the side glutes more effectively than standard squats. Encourages upright posture, builds functional leg strength, improves balance and coordination. How to do it: stand facing a wall about 6 to 8 inches away. Place your hands lightly on the wall for support. Your feet should be slightly wider than hip width, with toes turned out just a little. Lower into a comfortable squat while keeping your chest tall and your knees tracking over your toes. At the bottom of the squat, slowly rise onto your toes, lifting your heels. Hold briefly, lower your heels, then press through your feet to stand back up. Perform 10 to 12 controlled reps for 2 to 3 sets. Focus on staying tall and moving with control. This helps train your body to use the glutes first, rather than relying on the knees or lower back. Why this matters more than ever after 50. These two movements work best together. One restores alignment and connection. The other builds strength on that improved foundation. You don't lose your glutes simply because you age. You lose them because the body adapts to inactivity, posture changes, and misalignment over time. The good news? Those patterns can be improved with the right approach. When your pelvis is centered and your glutes are engaged again, movement feels smoother, balance improves, and strength returns in a more natural way. And yes, the shape often improves too. But beyond appearance, what you're really rebuilding is confidence in your body. Confidence to walk, stand, lift, and move without fear or hesitation. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You just need consistency and a smarter starting point. If this video helped you see things differently, share it with someone who might need it too.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.